Hello student, today my topic is ultramarines. It is prepared by synthetic method. They are colored and used as pigments. They are aluminosilicate which does not contain water. Their cavities, that means holes, contain some anions like Cl, S2 2 ions, sulfate 2 ions. They reside inside the cavities. So for example, sodalite, this is the formula of sodalite, Na8, AlO2 whole 6, SiO2 whole 6, Cl2. Ultramarine are Na8, AlO2 whole 6, SiO2 whole 6, S2. Here there is Cl2, there is S2 and there is sulfate. Previous formula is the same in all the three ones. Now it is also composed of glass and clay. Cement industry etc. are based on the silicates. They present in the slag, so they associated with metallurgy. Slag means that is flux plus impurity is slag. So it is also associated with metallurgy. Now next is zeolites. They are most important three-dimensional silicate. They have more expanded structure than feldspar, microporous, aluminosilicate. Journal formula is Na2Al2SiO8 X molecule of water. Here X is number of water of crystallization. For example, arenoite, that is Na2K2CaMg, AlO2 whole twice, SiO2 whole 6, 6 molecules of water. This is the formula of arionite. Then next is jamelinite, that is NaCa, AlO2 whole twice, SiO2 6 molecules of water. Carbazite, Na2Ca, AlO2 whole, SiO2 whole 4 with 6 molecule of water. In zeolites, silica has open structure, so they form complex tetrahedral structure. Their cavities may accommodate gases. That means they have holes where the gases reside inside the holes. For example, the gases are CO2, NH3 and liquid molecule, that is ethanol or water, and hence they act as a molecular sieves, that is like a chunni. In the zeolite contain enter in the open porous structure as freely moving ion and are reversibly exchanged with other ions. Na of the sodium zeolite are exchanged with calcium of hard water, so zeolite is used to remove the hardness of water. For example, have you studied in the hydrogen chapter also, Na2O, Al2O3 and SiO2 with some molecules of water, when get reacted with calcium sulfate, it forms CaO, Al2O3 and SiO2 with X molecule of water, and just the place of Na taken by the calcium and Na just separate out like Na2 and SO4. By passing brine solution, that is NaCl solution, when NaCl mix with water, then that solution is brine solution. Used zeolite is regenerated when NaCl solution or brine solution again treated with this thing, zeolite get regenerated. For example, CaO, Al2O3 and SiO2 with some molecule of water, when react with brine solution, again Na take place its own position and remove Ca as a CaCl2. In petroleum industry, ZSMS, that is zeolite, is used to connect alcohol into gasoline directly. Some zeolite are used in glass and ceramic industry. This is the structure. Now silicon carbide, also called as carborundum, preparation is in the electric furnace. When silicon oxide dioxide react with carbon, it forms silicon carbide. Again, when Si react with carbon, it form SiC. So pure silicon carbide is colorless, but due to impurities it have yellow, green and blue color. It is hard as diamond, chemically unreactive and inert to all reagent. Now mixing fused alkali in presence of air, it gives silicates. So my question is for today, what is ultramarine, zeolite and Si carbide? Thank you.